Hey everybody, John Locke here, and yeah, I've got kind of a quick update video today. First and foremost, I want to remind everybody that there's about 1 week left to enter my 300 subscriber giveaway challenge. Yeah, if you've got a few videos so far, not as many as I had hoped. A lot of responses though on the comments, on recommendations for YouTube channels. Thank you for all of those recommendations. They're awesome. And yeah, if you have been thinking about making a video to tell me about your favorite lock sport tools, I'd be super interested in that. So, all right, that's my quick update there. Next, what am I working with in the vise here? Well, I've got a set of challenge locks. There are two of them called Beauty and the Beast, and they're from LP69, and there's two locks, same key. This one's called Beast, the other one's called Beauty. I started with Beast first. Maybe that was a mistake, but I've got a good hour into Beast. And let me tell you, I have not had much progress. So, I mean, I'm in a really deep fall set right now. Super deep, like, I mean, it moves a lot. I'm trying to float pick it because I just can't get out of this fall set, you know, going through the pin stack, looking for counter rotation. Don't really feel any. I can't get past this. I think the last pin maybe, but I just, you know, I've been trying to float it and I just don't get anything. I mean, look here how much rotation I have. It's incredible, but I cannot get past it. I have no idea what I'm working with inside there, but can't get it open. Now that I put more than an hour into this one, I think I'm ready to admit defeat to it. And I'm dying to know what's inside the lock because I just can't figure out why I can't get it open. So I figured I can't open it. Let me gut it and take a look at what's inside. What beat me, and maybe next time I'll be able to figure out one of a way to approach that. But yeah, let me show you the fall set that I have. It's quite good, but I can't get past it. So let's I'll take my tools out. I wanted to show off this pick. This is a maybe it looks like a Peterson, but it's actually a Law Lock Tools Valorian Euro set that I put some custom handles on. John Locke, I'm pretty happy with how these came out. Really nice. I love these profiles, but this thin steel, just uncomfortable to work with without a handle. Got these 3D printed and really love them now. My favorite new picks now, this Valorian set. So if you have that set, I can definitely recommend putting handles on them. I'll put the link to the STL for that in my video description. Okay, so yeah, clearly works. Let's go ahead and turn this one. This one is grubbed, so let's see if I can just go ahead and gut this by taking up these grub screws, and let's get my camera in the right spot here. All right. Okay. Now these will be under spring tension, so I don't want them to go flying. That'd be gentle. Okay. Grab. And since the plug is turned, I should be able to just drop out the driver. And what do we have there? A very, very nice serrated spool. Okay. Nice pin there. Deep pin. Deep spool on one. I'm expecting deep spools because of the degree of counter rotation that I got. Two. It's like a T-pin there. Okay. Very interesting. Where are my tweezers here? Let me grab those. Okay, we've got third one, all different spring on 3, and 3, another nice looking spool. And on 4, grub screw, spring. Pull that back out here. Another serrated, double serrated spool. Nice pins on this, really nice pins. And then 5. 5 is where I suspect I was having my problems, but it could be on 4 that I was really struggling too. I couldn't quite tell. So let's see what we've got here in 5. This is the one that I'm most interested in seeing. And 5, we have a triple serrated, deep serrations in it. Well, that's interesting. Okay, let me just line up the key pins now, and I should be able to dump the key pins one by one. Wow, look at that key pin. Torpedo on 1. Really deep serrated key pin on 2. Another serrated key pin on 3. A stepped torpedo serrated spool on 4. I'm thinking 4 is where my biggest challenge may have been. Is there no, what's going on here? Is there really no keeping in 5? That wouldn't make any sense to me. Is that possible? There's no key pin? No, there it goes. Just knew that wasn't going to be possible. And that came from 5. Wow. Look at those serrations. How can I count them up? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Let's do a little close up here on the pins. After seeing the pins, I can see that it's just a really nicely made challenge lock, really tough pins. Well, LP69, great work on that. Beautiful challenge lock, beat me, could not defeat this one. Like I said, have more than an hour in it. Could get to a nice deep fall set, but that's it. That's all that I could get. Couldn't make any further progress from there, despite putting a lot of effort into it. So I'd say very nicely done. Nice challenge lock. Maybe now that I see the pins, I can try picking again. But yeah, I don't think that counts. Once you see what's inside, then I don't call that a victory for a challenge lock, at least. All right, guys. Well, with that, just want to say have a good rest of your day, good rest of your week. Maybe I'll get Beauty open without as many trouble as I did with Beast. All right, guys. See you in my next video. Bye for now.